These are always so awkward. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a little tutorial, if you will, on how I take my photos. People ask me a lot how I take such nice photos of my teeth and mouth and lipstick and things like that. So I am going to show you today. I suppose the first step will be putting on the lipstick itself. So I tend to find that metallic and glittery shades photograph the best, and people seem to like them the best too. So one lipstick I really like is this Milani Amore matte metallic lip cream. This one is in the shade Making Me Matte. I'm just doing this one because it matches my eyeballs today. Oh, I just have it. Just need a mirror. Find yourself a nice mirror like this to put things on. That got messy. Aw, geez. Let's clean it up. Good enough. So then you should probably let that dry down. I don't usually do things too fancy because I do these on my lunch break, so it's usually just a metallic lipstick or a matte lipstick and a sparkly lip gloss. Today, why not do both? Wait until this dries before you start putting on a gloss, because it will get messy. Something I like to do too is just put the gloss on the center of the lips, so with the lights in the middle of the lips, then your lips will look bigger and plumper, and isn't that what we all want? I have my mirror behind this so I can see what I'm doing. Take your lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Glitter Fix Glitter Lip Gloss, and it's the best ever. So just take this and put it in the middle. And do that with your lips to blend it in and stuff. And then what you want to do, I'm using my nice camera right now to film this, so I won't take a picture with this camera, but I'll show you what I do otherwise. I'm sitting in front of a window. I think windows give you the best lighting. And I hold this mirror and I take my phone. Use your rear camera. I cannot say that enough. Use your rear camera. It'll make your pictures a lot better. And I just kind of hold the mirror in front of my phone so that I can see what I'm doing. What good is a picture if you can't even tell what you're taking a picture of? And it takes me 1,000 million pictures to get one that I like. And that's kind of it. I am staying away from straight on photos right now because people like to talk about my midlines. Midline is how the middle of your teeth line up. So my Cupid's bow doesn't line up with the middle of my front two teeth. I don't know. I think that's a lip problem though, not an orthodontic problem. My smile's uneven. I don't know. I can force it, but that's not cute. So don't come after me for my midlines. I'm just sick of it. And that's that. So this is an iPhone 10. I'm filming with a Nikon coolpix S7000. This nice Nikon camera does a lot better with glitters. I think the phone does better in direct sunlight and dealing with the contrast and stuff. But in any case, upping the sharpness on your photo will help bring out glitters, in our case brackets and things like that. That's really all there is to it. I think the number one thing is using a mirror behind what you're doing if you don't have a flip screen that you can see what you're doing, and using your rear facing camera instead of the front facing camera. And yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something cool today.